to my channel. My name is Jennifer Arcelia, BS Ed Mathematics. Today, we discuss about how to use synthetic method. So, remember, this is a tutorial on how to use a synthetic division or how to solve using a synthetic division. A synthetic division is a shortcut procedure of dividing polynomial by binomial divisor of the term form x minus r. So I have an example of synthetic division and we try to simplify it using the synthetic division. Divide quantity t squared minus 4t squared plus 5t minus 2 by quantity of t minus 1 using the synthetic division. First step, we put a number here which is a positive 1, negative 4, positive 5, negative 2, and the origin is 1, which is the value of r. And second, bring down the positive 1, and the answer will be multiplied into positive 1, and which is the answer is positive 1. Negative 4 minus positive 1 is negative 3 multiplied into positive 1. The answer is negative 3. Positive 5 minus negative 3 is equal to positive 2, and multiply it again into positive 1, which is the answer is positive 2. And lastly, negative 2 minus 2, which is the answer is 0. The quotient is t squared minus 3 plus 2, and the remainder is 0. We must always remember that if our remainder is 0, it means this is a factor of this function, which is t squared minus 4t squared plus 5t minus 2. But if this is not a 0, if you didn't get a 0 as like a remainder, it means that is not a factor of this function. We see that this is a quantity of t minus 1. So this is a negative 1, but look at this. This is a positive 1 because if you write t minus 1 is equal to 0 and t is equal to positive 1. That is why this is a positive 1. Let's proceed into another example. Quantity of x squared minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 divide quantity of x minus 3. What is the first step? Again, put a number here. Positive 1, negative 2, negative 5, negative 6, and 3. Because our x now is positive 3. Because x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to positive 3. Second, bring down the positive 1 and multiply into 3, which is the answer is positive 3, and negative 2 minus 3, the answer in 1, multiplied into 3, which is the answer is positive 3, and minus it again, the answer is negative 2, and multiply into 3, the answer is negative 6, and 6 minus negative 6, the answer is 0. So this is a factor of this function, which is the quantity of x squared minus 5x plus 6, because we have a remainder 0. It means that is a factor. I have a last example. Okay, this is same process on how we simplify the first and second example. So we have a quantity of x squared plus 5x plus 7x plus 2 divide into x minus 2. Bring down positive 1, divide into negative 2, which is the answer is negative 2. Positive 5 minus negative 2, the answer is 3. Divide into negative 2, the answer is negative 6. So 7 minus negative 6, the answer is positive 1. Divide it again into negative 2, the answer is negative 2. Positive 2 minus negative 2, the answer is 0. So we have a 0 it again. So remember always, if we can get a 0 as a remainder, this is not a factor of this function. But if we can get a 0 or a remainder is 0, it means it is a factor of this function, because our x now is past negative 2, because if we write a past x past 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 2. Because if we transpose a number into 0, the sign will be automatically changed. That is why negative 2. So this is a tutorial only, and I hope you get some tips or idea now to how solve and simplify the numbers using the synthetic division. And remember, the synthetic division is a shortcut only, sorry, rather. Okay, so this is your turn to simplify it, and you try to simplify the example of x squared plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 38 divided by x plus 2. And thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye-bye.